Right, I think we're back now. Let me know if you guys can hear it. That was such a mess, really. I have no idea what happened, but we're back now. Right. Right, let me know when you guys are back and then I'll start coding again. Yeah. So okay, so what was it? It's called audio, right? I'm not sure how well this updates, but if you guys can hear me now and you can see me, let me know. I'm not sure how well this updates, but if you guys, yeah. So whatever I coded here, obviously, it didn't work well, but hopefully it's not the program itself. I very much doubt that whatever code we may have put, whatever wrong PortAudio code we did, is going to affect my OS to the point that it just crashes it. But you know, so right, let's continue. I'm going to continue with that. So C2 was in 1,000 range, and that's what I had here. I copied this, which looks about right, and then did this as well. What computer do I have? I have a Legion. It's quite old now. I mean, it's 2 years old, but it's a Legion. I think it's Y60. I don't even know, man. Let's have a look here. There's a app called Lenovo Vantage here. But I've had this laptop for 2 years now, which is good. And so the CPU is here. Legion 7Y40, and the GPU itself is an NVIDIA RTX. I can't remember which one it is actually. Let's have a look. It's not a bad CPU. It's a it's a good one. Now, how do I check system information? RTX 2070 with max Q. So it's it's a couple of years old, but it's good. It's not bad. I can't complain. But anyway, we've got all the all the shit that we may need now here. So essentially, we just need a way to change these frequencies on the go. So basically, this code here, I'm gonna leave that there. So the step is going to be initially 0 as well. Before we're actually running this stuff, that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to do a for loop for every note in my notes array. Space Odyssey, sorry. So for every note, we're going to basically just calculate the step and play, play for that amount of time that we have in the note as well. So this is essentially like, I was hoping that the other guys would be here as well, so they can see it, but I'm not sure if they are. Is Sapphire on? Because it was Sapphire Rose. Sapphy Rose. I keep saying the name wrong. It'll be the node.frequency, and we sleep for the number of milliseconds. And that would be the node dot. Let's change it to microseconds, and then we can time this by 1,000 or some shit, right? That's what it is. No instance of constructor. Okay, so make things less painful for now. I know I shouldn't be casting here. I should probably be using the correct stuff. Okay, so right. I mean, this should work. This should work. So let's see. Should we run this? I mean, it's compiling. Let's actually run it and see if it works now. I'm sorry if it's too loud. It might be loud. Ah, okay, so it doesn't change. Okay, yeah. It doesn't change because I don't have my data, whatever it is, right? Left phase has to be the step here. And I forgot to actually set this. This is not very safe because you see, I'm changing the value in the data struct, but it's been used in the callback, which may happen at a different time. So I need to figure out a way to do this without potential data races, but we're going to do this for now. Let's just see if it works. Compile that. Okay, so let's run it. Okay. That didn't work. Didn't work at all. Why not? Why didn't it work? See, I opened the stream with the data here, but I do change it later. What happens if this is the step. Is it something to do with this? Do I need to? And the note frequencies, they all kind of make sense as well. So what happens if I just do 440? Because that's what it was before. Oh no, it was not 0.03, wasn't it? Okay, so let's go into this. See, it's not playing here. I'm just getting like a choppy, like a slightly choppy kind of audio, but it's not doing much. Yeah, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I can't tell what. I just don't know what. Yeah. Well, data. Data is obviously defined as this, and if I put just start that. I want to make sure that nothing has gone wrong before we get here. Ah, I'm a idiot. Yeah, I am an idiot. Of course it's not working because of the step. It's always something that, you know, that messes up. So we can start the step as 0, 0. And I'm not changing the left and right phases, is the step that I'm changing, right? That's what I need to change. Is the amount of the addition that I'm doing in every sample. So that should be the step. Right. Now, you know, for the roll the drums, I am getting a few warnings. But here we go. Okay, so right. Are we ready? Let's remove the... Kind of, yeah. We're getting there. So, you see. Okay, so I'm just gonna tweak one more thing to make it a little bit better. So I think this has to be like there and then something like that, you know, in terms of milliseconds. A lot of fireworks on the back, and yeah. Only thing I can notice is that it takes a while. There you go. Sounds much better now, doesn't it? I can even go as far as saying that makes it more true to the actual audio. A little bit longer on the last note. Are you still here, Kelv? I'm wondering whether to finish the stream or not. Okay. Yeah, we got a good sort of working code, I guess, but it's not really good. Yeah, cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably gonna finish the stream here, dude. But what I can do tomorrow is maybe do another stream where we actually clean up this whole shit here, because you can see it's very messy. I mean, even these callbacks and stuff, they're all in C style. There is some code that's particularly unsafe, like me changing the step every time here. I mean, that is not very safe, because what's happening is that this data variable, it's kind of like being used in a callback, so in a different thread as well. So we're changing that here, which may cause a what do you call it, a data race or something like that. Now we can't use mutexes in there, so we need to think of a better way to sort of you know, change, like put data back and forth through the callback. And I'm going to do some reading on that so we can actually do it properly tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, this, you know, this is just the code, and you can see what actually took the most here to get working was actually the library, right? I mean, I spend like a lot a lot of time trying to. Hey, Safi Rose. So he's back. Just to give you a nice little audio there. It's working now. But yeah, I was telling Kev that I'm gonna probably finish the stream now. I mean, I've been streaming for a good 4 hours now, I think. So yeah, I mean, what took the longest here was definitely, as I was saying, the getting the library ready. I mean, reading the documentation and like copying and pasting the code into here, and then making sure it compiles, and getting the stuff on VC package as well, and blah blah blah. That took the longest. No, yeah, I'm not even joking. You know, all the maths and stuff to get the samples out. That was actually very easy. We worked it out in like 10 minutes, right? So, you know, that part wasn't difficult. The most difficult bit was actually understanding how to use the PortAudio library, which, you know, something that we can do a little bit better now. I wouldn't say I'm a pro at it. I mean, there's still a lot of things I don't really understand. Like, I don't know what this input buffer goes, or where you know, what it even does. And I guess it must be for the microphone. If you have an input audio, like a microphone, you'll catch up from that. And some of the other variables here as well. But, you know, the rest is working. And maybe tomorrow or the day after we can do a stream where we actually clean up this code, make it into more modern C++. And who knows, maybe I'll even write a post about this, and I'll put all the code in there. But yeah, for now, let's just push this whole thing. And yeah, hope that it still works tomorrow, to be honest. I need to get some food and walk my dog, you see, because he's here, and then it's just a bit sad because the fireworks. But yeah, we'll be good. Working space, Odyssey. And there you go. And yeah, thank you guys for joining. Like, I really enjoy having a chat with you. It's nice, actually, you know, having people doing some work with you. And maybe, you know, we'll catch up again some other day. Hopefully, I'll be back tomorrow if you guys are free. If not, that's fine. But it was nice meeting you, Safi Rose, and thank you, Kel, for like advertising the channel. It does help out massively. You have no idea. So yeah, I mean, have a good night, guys, and we'll see you. Like, I'll see you, you know, some other day. And take care, and bye bye.